I'm Susan. Today I'm trying another new recipe. It's called Busy Day Cheesy Rolls. You got cheese, you got rolls, two of my favorite things, and I don't think you can go wrong with that. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, we've got 1 package of dried yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of shortening, and I decided to use the butter flavor, 1 egg, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 6 to 8 ounces of cheddar cheese that's been cubed. First of all, we want to dissolve our yeast and water and sugar in a bowl. Now we want to add our salt, our shortening, our egg, and half of our flour. Beat this until mixed. Scrape down your bowl and add the remaining flour and mix until smooth. Now you want to stir in your cubed cheddar cheese, and you want to let this sit until it doubles in size. Now I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and you want to divide your batter into 12 portions and place in a greased muffin tin. Bake for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. All right, my favorite part. Now you can make these pretty and take off these little edges, just cut them off. But I have to be honest with you, this is the best part. So, I know they say you eat with your eyes, but I eat with my mouth. And the uglier my grandmother's cakes looked, the better they tasted. So I'm going with this. So, let's try it out. Looks good, smells good. It tastes good. I really like these. These are definitely a keeper. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Do you go for taste or do you go for beauty? So until next time, bye y'all.